Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to delete PDF text from URL asynchronously in Python using PDF.co web API. We will use this sample PDF and delete this Martian dichotomy text in this demo. Let's begin. First, if you haven't yet, kindly install the request module. Type in Python mpip install request in your command line. Next, open your Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in Python. Then, enter the Python sample code. You can get the Python sample code in PDF.co API docs. In line 11, insert your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 18, input the direct source file URL. Then, type in your desired output file name. And set async to true. Now, let's go to the search string. In this line, type in the text you'd like to be deleted. After setting up the code, you may now run the program. Once the program runs successfully, it will display the timestamp, status, and the result. Let's check the folder to view the output. Here's the output that we successfully deleted the text Martian dichotomy. We've got a lot of video tutorials. You may visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.